Day 2. Introducing yourself in English, learn English for beginners. 30-day English challenge. Hello everyone. Welcome back to day 2 of our 30-day English challenge. If you watched day 1, you already learned some basic daily conversations. Today, we're going to learn one of the most important English skills. How to introduce yourself in English. Think about it. Whenever you meet someone for the first time, the first thing you do is introduce yourself. This happens at school, college, work, interviews, online meetings, while traveling, or when making new friends. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce yourself confidently. Talk about your name, country, job, hobbies, and goals. Avoid common mistakes. Sound natural instead of memorized. So let's begin. Why is self-introduction important? Your introduction creates the first impression. People don't expect perfect English. They expect clear communication. Even if your English is simple, speaking confidently makes a huge difference. Remember, confidence is more important than difficult vocabulary. Step 1. Start with a greeting. The easiest way to begin is with a greeting. Examples. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you're meeting someone formally, good morning everyone. If you're meeting a friend, hi. Step 2. Say your name. There are several natural ways. Examples. My name is Alex. I'm Alex. I am Alex. People call me Alex. Meet you. Example. Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Simple. Natural. Correct. Step 3. Say where you're from. Examples. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm from India. I'm from Brazil. I come from Kenya. I live in Addis Ababa. Example. Hi, I'm Maria. I'm from Brazil. I live in Sao Paulo. Step 4. Tell your age. Apples. I'm 20 years old. I'm 18. I'm 35 years old. Notice, we usually say, I'm 20, not, I have 20 years. That sentence is incorrect in English. Step 5. Talk about your job or studies. Examples. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I'm an engineer. I work as a graphic designer. I'm studying computer science. Example. Hi, I'm David. I'm a university student. I study English. Step 6. Talk about your hobbies. People often ask, what do you like to do? You can answer, I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I love playing football. I like cooking. I enjoy listening to music. I spend my free time learning English. Example. My hobbies are reading books and traveling. I also enjoy learning new languages. Step 7. Talk about your goals. This makes your introduction more interesting. Examples. I'm learning English because I want to travel. I'm learning English for my job. I want to study abroad. I want to become fluent in English. My dream is to become an engineer. Example. I'm learning English because I want to communicate with people from different countries. Complete beginner introduction. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm a university student. I enjoy reading books and learning English. I'm learning English because I want to study abroad. Nice to meet you. Intermediate introduction. Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael. I'm from Canada, and I currently live in Toronto. I'm a software engineer. In my free time, I enjoy hiking, reading, and learning new languages. I'm improving my English communication skills because I want to work with international clients. Thank you for listening. Formal introduction. Good morning. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is John Smith. I'm from Australia. I work as a project manager at an IT company. I have over 5 years of experience in my field. In my spare time, I enjoy reading business books and traveling. I'm excited to be here today. Thank you. Casual introduction. Hi, I'm Emma. I'm from England. I love music, coffee, and traveling. I'm learning Spanish. and I enjoy meeting new people. Nice to meet you. Conversation practice. Example 1. Hello. He. Hi. A. What's your name? B. My name is Alex. A. Where are you from? E. I'm from Ethiopia. What do you do? E. I'm a student. A. Nice to meet you. D. Nice to meet you too. Example 2. Hey. Hi. E. Hello. Tell me about yourself. Sure. My name is Sophia. I'm from Italy. I'm a teacher. I enjoy reading books and traveling. I'm learning English to improve my career. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. My name is Alex. 2. I have 20 years. I'm 20 years old. Mistake 3. I from India. I'm from India. Mistake 4. Am engineer. I'm an engineer. Mistake 5. Yeah. I like play football. I like playing football. Or I like to play football. Then useful vocabulary. Student, teacher, doctor, engineer, businessman, businesswoman, office worker, manager, artist, designer, programmer, travel, music, sports, cooking, reading, movies, photography, learning English. But pronunciation tips. Practice slowly. Don't rush. Speak clearly. Smile while speaking. Record your voice. Listen to native speakers. Repeat every sentence 3 times. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. The daily practice challenge. Now it's your turn. Pause this video and introduce yourself using these questions. 1. What's your name? 2. Where are you from? 3. How old are you? 4. What do you do? 5. What are your hobbies? Why are you learning English? Speak for at least 1 minute without reading. Then record yourself and listen again. You'll notice your progress every day. Quick review. Today you learned how to greet people politely, say your name, talk about where you're from, mention your age, describe your job or studies, talk about your hobbies, explain why you're learning English, give a complete self-introduction with confidence. Congratulations! You have completed day 2 of our 30-day English challenge. Practice introducing yourself every day. The more you speak, the more natural your English will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. In day 3, we'll learn greetings and everyday expressions so you can sound more natural in daily English conversations. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.